8 key assets for lifelong wealth and retirement, achieving financial independence through passive earnings. When it comes to living your best life, it's easier to talk about than to make it happen. You might have big dreams, but it can be tough to get up and do what needs to be done when that morning alarm goes off. One of the big things that can get in the way of living the life you want is money troubles. These money worries can stick with you for a long time, even when you're retired. But don't worry, one of the best ways to have more freedom in your life now and in the future is by finding a way to make a passive income without working all the time. Number 1. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are a potent tool for lifelong wealth and financial freedom. These stocks represent ownership in well-established companies that regularly distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders as dividends. What sets dividend stocks apart is their potential to create a consistent and growing stream of passive income. As you invest in these companies over time, your dividends can compound, accelerating your wealth building journey. Moreover, dividend stocks weather market fluctuations more gracefully than growth stocks, offering stability and peace of mind. By carefully selecting a diversified portfolio of dividend-paying companies and reinvesting your dividends, you can cultivate a resilient income source that supports your financial goals throughout your lifetime, providing financial freedom and a legacy for future generations. Number 2. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is an ingenious means to cultivate lifelong wealth and attain financial freedom. This method enables individuals to lend money directly to borrowers through online platforms, thereby earning interest on their loans. What makes P2P lending so attractive is its potential for consistent passive income. As borrowers repay their loans with interest, lenders receive regular payments, which can be reinvested to magnify returns. P2P lending offers diversification, as you can spread your investments across multiple loans to mitigate risks. Over time, the compounding effect can significantly boost your wealth, providing an ongoing source of income. With careful selection of borrowers and platforms, P2P lending can be a reliable and rewarding avenue towards financial independence, granting you the financial flexibility and security to pursue your life's aspirations confidently. Number 3. Retirement accounts. Retirement accounts, such as 401ks and IRAs, are powerful vehicles for building lifelong wealth and securing financial freedom. These tax-advantaged saving plans allow individuals to invest long-term while enjoying significant tax benefits. What makes retirement accounts particularly enticing is their ability to generate passive income through investment in stocks, bonds, and other assets. Contributions to these accounts grow tax-deferred or tax-free, and some employers even match contributions, amplifying your savings. As your investments appreciate over time, you can benefit from compounding returns, steadily increasing your wealth. By consistently funding your retirement accounts and adopting a diversified investment strategy, you can create a substantial nest egg that provides passive income in retirement, offering peace of mind and the freedom to enjoy your golden years without financial stress. Number 4. Real estate rentals. While traditional real estate is more expensive to enter than digital products, real estate rentals will always be a great source of passive income. People will always need somewhere to live and work. Long-term rentals allow you to secure a tenant and then sit back and collect the rent every month. While some maintenance may be due to repairs, the income would be mostly passive. If there is enough positive cash flow, you can make it utterly passive by hiring a property manager. If money is an issue, consider purchasing a duplex and renting out the second unit of your home. Number 5. Online business income streams. To achieve long life wealth and financial freedom, harnessing passive income from online businesses can be a game changer. Here are the top 5 passive online business income streams. 1. Blogging. Launching a blog and consistently creating high-quality content can generate revenue through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts. Over time, a well-maintained blog can become a steady income source. YouTube channel. Creating and monetizing a YouTube channel can yield passive income through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. As your channel grows, so does your earning potential. Affiliate marketing. You can establish a reliable passive income stream by promoting products or services on your website or social media platforms and earn a commission on sales. Dropshipping. Running an online store where a third party handles inventory and shipping can provide passive income. Your role is marketing and customer service, making it a hands-off venture. Digital products and course. Design and sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, or stock photography. Once created, these assets can generate income without ongoing effort. Number 6. Alternative investments. Alternative investments are unique ways to grow your money and build lifelong wealth towards financial freedom. These are investments beyond the usual stocks and bonds. Think of things like real estate, collectibles, or cryptocurrencies. What makes them appealing is their potential for significant returns. For example, real estate can generate rental income and property appreciation, while cryptocurrencies can see rapid value growth. Alternative investments often come with more risk and might not be as easy to cash out as stocks, so it's crucial to research and diversify your investments wisely. When done right, alternative investments can be a valuable addition to your portfolio, offering opportunities for passive income and long-term wealth accumulation. Number 7. Stock options and equity. Stock options and equity can help you build lifelong wealth and work towards financial freedom. When you have stock options or equity in a company, you own a part of that company. Over time, as the company grows and does well, the value of your stock can increase. This can be a way to make money without actively working because you earn when the company does well. Many employees get stock options from their employers as part of their compensation. It's like having a share in the company's success. However, it is essential to understand how stock options work and to be patient because they often take time to grow in value. Properly managed stock options and equity can be a passive income source on your journey to financial freedom. Number 8. Annuities. Annuities are like a particular savings plan to help you achieve lifelong wealth and financial freedom. When you have an annuity, you pay a lump sum or make regular payments to an insurance company. In return, the insurance company promises to give you regular payments, usually in the future. This can be a great way to ensure a steady income during retirement. Annuities come in different types, some guaranteeing payments for life, while others have set periods. They offer security and peace of mind, knowing you'll have money coming in regularly. Understanding the terms and choosing the right annuity for your needs is essential. With careful planning, annuities can be a valuable tool on your path to financial freedom. It's essential to recognize your financial future is in your hands. By exploring these passive income strategies, you're taking meaningful steps towards securing a prosperous retirement and lifelong financial freedom. Remember, success in this journey often involves a combination of these methods and requires patience, persistence, and smart financial planning. We hope this video has been informative and inspiring as you embark on this path to a brighter financial future. If you found this content valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. Thank you for joining us, and may your financial goals become a reality.